Asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG Nasaki, thank you for the platform. I'm a woman aged 33 years, the second born in a family of 4 girls. I have a very sensitive matter to share. So in 2022, mama vakatanga kurwara, vaita kunge njere dzavo dzaakurasa. We sat with my sisters and came to a consensus that we should take turns kuchengeta mama. We looked for a maid specifically for her since tichienda kubasa. Mama would miss herself and needed someone patient with her to help and attend to her kana zvaitika. Mama was 70 years old, and when I took her in, it was the most traumatic experience for me to watch her go through hurwere u. So pa u4 wedu, we would each stay with her for 3 months, weenda kumwewo zvichingodaro. After my experience with Mom, I was dreading kuvatora. I feared kuti she would get into one of her special episodes of randomly taking her clothes off. I had kept this to myself, but when I spoke to my big sister, expressing my discomfort kuvatora, she shared the same story. We sat again, all of us, and it seemed like everyone had mixed feelings about kuchengeta Mom. She was doing zvinhu zviri extreme pamberi pevakwasha nevazukuru. We decided kubvisa maroja kumba kwavo and hired another maid kuti vasirane mashifts. Hama dzavo hapana kana akaita chido chekuvaona. We started having a problem with one of the maids. She would demand money on a weekly for gloves, adult diapers, and disposable sheets. We would buy these things in bulk, but zvinhu zvanga zvakukasika kupera. This maid would call us and threaten us tikasatumira mari, saying, "Ndinozvisiya izvi, tione munomuwanepi munhu anoda kugezesa tsvina yemunhu mukuru." Our relationship with her was becoming toxic. Apa tichingoburitsa mari, we couldn't afford to chase her away, nekuti aitowirirana na mama, and she knew how to calm her down. Sadly, Mom passed away, and she came Panamo and asked to sit with us. Achiti mama vakati chido chavo ndechekuti tivape mota ya mama, since varivo vakachengeta mama. As much as we appreciate her massive contribution to taking care of mama, kuvapa mota was a no. She went kuna sekuru hanzvadzi ya mama. Sekuru surprisingly sided with her and said, "Kana chiri chido chavo ngachizadzikiswe. Isu sevana, we disagree because hapana pazvakanyorwa or where it was mentioned." Here she argues, mama vaitogunun'una kuti vana vangu vandirasa, and would open up to her. Nyaya iyi haisi kupera. Last time I spoke to her, akatondithreatena achiti muchazviona mai vakafa vachigunun'una. Vedare munoitonga sei nyaya iyi? Mom left a Toyota Corolla, and it's true kuti takachengeterwa amai nemutoro, but it was justified. Ini I feel sekuru na maid are planning to sell the car and split the money pachao. That's my hot topic. Please help. Todi. Your hot topic yethu yanamhlanje.
Well, thank you so much, Manluve. Messages are coming in on our WhatsApp platform at 0772162651. Someone says, KVG Saki, she was mentally unstable, so maybe